When you add up the cost of labor, overhead, profit, and taxes, the only thing left on your building when the contractor leaves is the roof. The thickness of that material is the only thing protecting your building, keeping the rain outside. In most cases, the solutions from the roofing industry are less than the thickness of a nickel, or in some cases come down to a single ply. Initially, most roofs offered by major manufacturers for school districts, colleges, and municipalities all seemingly cost about the same. The real cost comes from maintenance, disruption, and the cost of roof replacement when that roof fails prematurely. When you add up the life cycle costs over a span of 40 years, the real cost ends up being more than $50 a foot in most cases. WeatherWeld was created 4 decades ago with the intention of being the strongest, the thickest, and the most seamless roof ever created. Because WeatherWeld is designed to be the last roof you ever buy, it's designed to be installed one time and last for the lifetime of your building. In the public market, we have to quantify that by offering a 40-year NDL warranty that's super simple. If it leaks, we fix it. WeatherWeld is affordable upfront. For most roofs with a single layer, WeatherWeld can be installed as a 3D reinforced membrane installed over your existing roof, or it can be installed as a new roof system. In 2025, on a normal school building of 50,000 feet, a 40-year warranted WeatherWeld roof should cost around $15 a foot installed. That's an incredible value considering prevailing wage, the cost of inferior competitor systems with a 20-year warranty in the same price range. And as you already know, there's more public agency roofing work than there are contractors available. The closer you get to roofing season, the more booked up these contractors become and the price goes up. If you're gonna roof your building, the time to have WeatherWeld inspect your roof is now, so we can provide you with a report and budget specific to your roof. Ultimately, we're here to create unbelievable amounts of value and eliminate the roof leaks on your buildings for a lifetime.